Hi guys, how you doing? This is stage 1, but probably about stage 14 of cleaning the workshop. Obviously we've got the joint fairly empty and clean. What a mission to get to here. Obviously for us, end of the year, clean out the workshop, which meant finish a whole stack of cars, and then the ones that didn't get finished, beg and borrow places to store them. But here we are. Anyway, so this is sort of stage 1 of the workshop transformation for 2019. Previously we've painted the floor ourselves. So this is going to be a first time where we get the floors done professionally. So they're going to do like an epoxy coating and things like that on the floor. So I'll keep you updated on how good that works. But to be honest, everything that they talk about means it's going to be Mickey Mouse, last for 10 years. Where up until now we've had to redo the floor probably every 1 to 2 years. Just putting down 2-pack paint ourselves kind of thing. So looking forward to that. It should be a lot nicer. It's 1,000,000 degrees here in Sydney at the moment. Obviously it's December. We're having about 40-degree days. Good, easy for the floor to dry. Not good to work in. But yeah, as you can see, workshops are empty. Kind of looks really cool, even as is. The only thing is the Evo, we couldn't get that off the hoist. We got the shocks off being rebuilt, so it kind of had to live on the hoist. So it's no big deal, but it's pretty good. Like I said, this is update 1. Stay tuned. We'll show you the floor when it's painted. Well, first off, before they paint it, what they got to do, they got to buff all the old paint back and get it back to concrete. So that should be pretty cool. And then when it's painted, it should look like Mickey Mouse. And then on next Monday, the painters come in to do the walls. So that should be really cool. So yeah, hang 10. Have a good one. We'll speak soon. Cheers, guys.